Hi there, you either found me on YouTube or you're currently on my Facebook page and you're wanting a little bit more information about what exactly it is that I do at Geographical Freedom. Well, if the name doesn't give it away to you, my entire philosophy on life and income is not being tied to one location or a specific office or area to be able to generate a great income. And I'm sure you would understand and agree that with all the tools that are available to us online and the internet, there has to be, even if you're not great with computers, I'm sure you're aware that there has to be a number of ways that you can make an income online without having to be a computer scientist or an absolute genius with computers. And I can tell you right now that there is. You know, a couple of years ago, I was petrified of technology. It was my biggest weak point. And I've run businesses in my life. And you know, any business owner would understand how valuable or important it is to have a presence online these days. And I did too. But when it came to anything to do with technology, I outsourced it. I literally I couldn't even touch type a couple of years ago. But through a number of events that happened within my life, a number of businesses that I started and failed, and I'd say largely because of my inaptitude with technology, I realized I had to dedicate a bit of time to really understand or learn a number of skills that would allow me to be a little bit more valuable in the digital market. So that's what I did. I put my mind to it and I started looking for ways to be able to invest online or create a portfolio that allowed me to generate an income online, which would then give me the freedom to be able to spend more time with the people that I love, in locations that I love, and ideally doing things that I love as well. So I was lucky enough to come across an amazing mentorship training program that allowed me to completely shatter those pre-existing self-limiting beliefs that I was no good at technology. And I realized that with the right support and applications, that it's a lot easier than you think to be able to build websites, to be able to create a business that you love around an area that you love and do it all from the comfort of your computer. That's what I do these days, and I love it. I love my lifestyle. I've been, for the last few years, traveling the world. I've spent more time with my family than I did in the preceding 10 years prior to that. And I want to share that experience with other people. So one of the projects that I focus on is actually supporting and promoting products that educate and inspire and coach people through the same process that I went through to be able to learn these skills. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, please either feel free to direct message me or have a look around on the page and check out one of our, check out the course that we're offering at the moment. And I hope to help you guys move to that next level of life where you too don't only have the financial freedom, but the time freedom and the geographical freedom to live your best life.